Hello everyone. Today's topic is abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction and encapsulation are the more major concepts that OOPS object-oriented programming follow. Basically, a Java support Java. Everything is in a form of object and classes. Object-oriented programming is a paradigm which basically used in Java. It support basic concepts like classes, object, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. Classes are nothing but a blueprint. Objects are a basic runtime entity, and abstraction and encapsulation are the major concept in that. For example, encapsulation is nothing but wrapping up of data into a single unit, and all the processing information and all the data of that class or classes are wrapped into a single unit for security purposes, so that no one can use that method or our class, so that it maintain our security. In Java, encapsulation is achieved by using a keyword that is a private. A private keyword is used with class. It used with variables. It used with methods, etc. If we declare a class private, then we cannot derive that class. We cannot make a subclass of that class. Okay, so that the integrity or privacy of that class is maintained. Second is a private variables. Private variable we cannot change or we cannot access outside the class. And second is a method also we cannot override it, or we cannot access it through its subclass. It maintains its integrity for security purposes. If we want to modify that, then we use a setter getter method for that. And second concept is abstraction. Abstraction is also one of the most important concept in Java. Abstraction is nothing but only show the needed information to the client, and unwanted information is hidden from a client. For example, we have a mobile phone. Only we can show the front part of that. The internal processing we cannot showing. It's a major concept of Java programming, so that the programmer only use any application fluently. He doesn't need to handle the tricky code in our application. In Java, abstraction is mostly achieved by using two concepts, that is abstraction and interface. Abstraction is nothing but we can declare our class as abstract, so that we can declare only method definition in that class. We cannot implement any method. We can define only method with a semicolon. And also in abstract class we can define constructor and static methods also, static variables also. And in derived class we must implement that method. And second is abstraction. Abstraction is in Java, abstraction is the most important concept. Abstraction is used to achieve a multiple inheritance in Java. Interfaces is the most important concept, which used to implement the multiple inheritance in Java. That is not possible by extended. It use the implemented keyword for that. For example, we have a multiple classes we can implement in our program. In interfaces, only 100% abstract method are used. We cannot use any non-abstract method in abstract class. Only definition are given, not implementation are given in our interfaces. And interfaces are